Hello and welcome to another video from Terrific Products. So today we've got an Active Stylus pen. I must say I think this packaging is very slick, very similar vein to a couple of other manufacturers that are very well known for their high quality products. So today we're going to do an unboxing and just do a quick review. Have a look what it looks like. So, we have the stylus itself. We have a micro USB cable. We have an adhesive holder. 3M adhesive, it's very good, very high quality brand, so that'd go on the back of your tablet case, sort of like so. Now the device I'm going to use to test with is actually going to be a phone, but I do have a tablet on the way that we'll be testing it with on another video. Have the instructions as well, and the stylus. So let's have a look at this. I tell you what, the design, the feel of this in your hand and the quality, you can really tell. Top notch. Now it has a 1.5mm tip for fine writing. Also has a soft nib, and then if you notice here as well, they give you another, so you have two tips. That one just moves like so. Pop that one on. Let's have a look at this. The standard instructions is of course a relatively straightforward product. This I liked. 18 months warranty. It's very good. Now if this stacks up to the Apple Pencil, which is £89, then at $29.99 this is an absolute bargain. So I'm curious to see what it's like. So I'm guessing that's how you turn it on. Yep. Okay. So it has some charge in it already. Let's have a look. So here's my phone. Let's have a go. Okay. So it's a capacitive stylus. And what that means is it reacts on your device, whatever that might be, your phone, your tablet, as if it is your finger. One thing you could do actually, let's have a look at some notes and take some notes. So let's just type something. So if you were one of those people a few years ago who used to own a PDA, this already feels far superior to some of the PDA styluses that were back in the day. That's very good. That works pretty well. How about for drawing? I'm not a very good artist, I must say. I'm pretty bad actually. I like this though. Let me try this end. So do these? No, okay. But that makes sense. You have a fine tip and then, aha! Very good. I like this. Seems like the harder you press it as well, the harder it reacts. I'll tell you what, this looks pretty good actually. I'm very impressed. For less than £30, when you consider that the Apple Pencil is sort of £90, it's a third of the price. And I really do think, it doesn't seem compatible with my little home button, but I really do think that this would make your life a lot easier if you're writing a lot of messages and so on. Even just for scrolling through, you know, news like I'm trying to get to here, or you know, anything at all. I think this would be a marvellous addition. Great accessory. It takes about an hour to charge supposedly. The battery life is in the region of, let me see, I think they said 10 hours? Yeah, 10 hours on one charge, or even up to about 30 days without using it, which is great. This feels lovely, neoprene by the feel of it. Like I said, there's an adhesive back. So what I'm going to do, I've got a tablet on the way. When that arrives, we'll try it a little bit more, try it on the tablet. It's compatible with iPhone X, iPhone 8, I think of the iPhone 8 Plus. It's got very wide compatibility. It's a capacitive stylus, so at the end of the day, you're going to find, you know, it's probably going to be compatible with your phone. Do check. It seems like my internet's not working very well here at the moment, but I tell you what, for the price of it, £30 all day, bargain.